Will your home pass the test? Can you sell your home for top dollar right now? I'm Monica with eXp Realty, and I can help you determine if your home is ready for the market with a simple quiz. Let's take the sell for top dollar test to see if your home passes a test. We've sold many homes, so we know what we're talking about. First, does your home have curb appeal? Are the doors and trims freshly painted? Does the landscape look fresh and attractive? Have you done the 3Ds? Declutter, depersonalize, and deep clean. And I mean deep clean, including baseboards and scuff marks on the wall, changing out old light bulbs, patching up holes. Do you have neutral carpets that are clean? Or are they 10 years old and have been cleaned 15 times, and once people walk all over them, the truth comes out? This isn't going to cut it to get top dollar. It's essential to give your home a deep clean and eliminate any clutter or personal items that distract buyers. Do you have curb appeal? Does your lawn look beautiful, or is it filled with weeds? Does your lot compare to the corner lot down the street? Are you looking at a busy street or an open view from your window? What about your walls? Are they painted in neutral colors? Mismatched paint is a big no when it comes to selling your home. Do you have updated flooring or countertops? Old white tiles with brown grout isn't going to cut it. Don't shoot me. I'm just a messenger and I'm trying to help. So have you truly compared your home to the competition? Now this is a big one, the smell test. OMG, I'm sure you don't realize this, but did you know most people have a smell to their home? Yes, your home has a smell, and it's essential to make sure that it smells fresh and clean. We love pets. In fact, I have two, a cat and a German Shepherd, and their families, so they're inside at all times. But if I were to list my home, I'd have to Febreze and vacuum like crazy daily. So when I sell, I have to make changes, and I have to pass a smell test. What about cooking? Do you cook with spices you're used to? But if someone else came over, it would smell like a fish fry? Well, that's a no-go. I mean, everyone, including me, thinks we have the best home on the block, and that's why you need to hire someone who cares more about getting you top dollar than possibly hurting your feelings. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think your home can sell for top dollar right now, or do you need to make some changes? Rate your home from 1 to 10 in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. P.S. Most of us make changes, and that's okay. I'm here to help you figure out what those changes are.